What is up, guys? It's your girl Ella and I'm back with another video. So today's video is going to be an unboxing review, unbagging review, because it came in a bag that I completely destroyed and ripped open. Just got this package yesterday, so I'm super excited. I've been looking forward to it. So yeah, we're about to hop right into this video. Make sure that you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button and like this video before we even get started, because I'm about to put you guys on to some game. Leave a comment and let me know if you guys wear makeup, if you guys are getting into makeup. Make sure that you check out her Instagram. The brand name is Sparkling Rose Beauty. I will have the information down in the description box below. Yeah, let's just get right into this video.
Catch feelings, I catch flights. I'm pulling up in something that you can't buy.
So I have a ton of items. She so nicely and humbly sent to me for me to check out and, you know, give her my feedback on it. So I really do appreciate that. It's a local brand. When I say local, that means that she's in my city or my state. It doesn't mean that that's only where her items are available. I'm sure that she will ship to you guys. If you go to the website, it'll have that information, and I believe there's a deal for free shipping if you spend like $50 or more, and then it has a discount code on the website, so you guys can definitely check out the website. I'll have it in the description box. Today I am going to, as I said, the brand name is Sparkling Rose Beauty. I am going to go ahead and swatch some items, give you guys my honest opinion about the packaging and the website. It's going to be 100% honest, so if y'all want this tea, y'all stay tuned. Okay, homie girl, Dolled Up by Johnny on Instagram. Make sure y'all check that out as well. Show some love to her. She's a makeup artist. Definitely think that you guys should go ahead and look at her page and support her website and her Instagram. First and foremost, I'm going to get into some information. I do know that she just launched the brand this year. I'm sure she's been working on it, but it's a fairly new brand out to the public, but she's been working pretty hard on it. Her name is Johnny. Said I'll have her Instagram, Sparkling Rose Beauty Instagram, in my link. I'll have Sparkling Rose Beauty Instagram linked in the description box below, as well with the website, so you guys can go ahead and check that out. Honestly, from the price that she said this package is valued, and looking at how many items I got, sis, that's a deal. Go to Sephora for the amount that she sent me and get 2 items if you're lucky. So I believe that the things on her website you guys can go ahead and purchase, but some of the things that I may show you guys today is not launched yet. I do have a dedicated makeup video coming for my girl, just showing you guys how the products actually look applied. Today we're going to just do some swatching. You guys, it's a lot going on right now. I have like a few PR packages that I need to get to, okay? But you guys will get those videos soon, and I'm going to work on that video ASAP. So I'm going to pull out the bubble wrap. It's a palette, I believe. Ooh, you guys see the skin though? My skin, okay, that's another video. Anyway, let's focus on what we're here for. This is bomb. Y'all know, if you don't know, now you know, I love a good clear mirror, okay? Because when I do these videos, I don't have to worry about having a set vanity. I can just take the item that I am using and go crazy on the camera. You feel me? These colors, y'all, get into these colors. I love pink. I love me a nice pink. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys so you guys can really see what's up. So you guys see that? That's one swipe. Gorgeous. I'm so excited now. Pretty tacky when it comes to the swatches, but I don't know why I'm using my middle finger. There's my hand. I'm going to go ahead and swatch this. Do you guys see how long the streak is? Swatch eyeshadows, it stops like halfway, and then that means that you have to apply more of the metallic eyeshadow. I really do like that the consistency is straight throughout. And then I'm going to show you guys a matte, this orange, red, burnt orange color. There we go, and then we're gonna swatch that on my hand. Obviously with the matte one, it's a little bit creased, but you always wanna use eyeshadow primer or some type of concealer to really pop that color out. If you don't, you just have to apply. This still, from one swatch on my finger, is pretty promising. This palette, for how good it looks right now, as I told you, we'll get into the real tea in the next video when I'm doing my makeup. This palette is only $21, and so far it seems to be great quality. I mean, come on now. You can see it from back here. That pigmentation, that color quality for an affordable price. Black owned, local, and bomb. This palette so far on my hand, it is bomb, and I cannot wait. The next video you guys see me doing applying makeup will be with Sparkling Rose Beauty. It's like my hat, Spike Lee. If you know, then you know. Black owned. Alright guys, next I'm going to show you, I believe this is the highlighter. I think this is the liquid highlighter. Number 6, not 90. I'm slow, excuse me please. This is the color number 6. It has a dropper, so I'm super excited to see how this is about to look, because I'm going to put this on my chest. This is $12. So we're about to see. I'm going to shake it up. For like a little glow too. See, ooh. See, this looks a little dry, my shitty tattoo. And then this is how it looks. It's the highlighter in number 6, and it's perfect for my chocolate melanin skin. Okay, next thing I'm gonna show you guys is a waterproof eyebrow pomade in the color Ebony. I am the color Ebony, okay child? That's all up on my brows is ebony. I just was telling myself I needed to buy some more pomade. This is just crazy how life works. It's the color Ebony, it says it on the back. This is Ebony. You guys will see this in the next video. When I am doing my makeup, I will show you guys how this applies. And I guess I'll also give you guys my honest review through these items, maybe towards the end of that video. This is actually a brow kit. Looking on the website, I believe this is the brow kit. I have a spoolie and a brow applicator brush, which y'all in game. I told y'all to play y'all in game today. I'm gonna show you guys this liquid lips. It's called a lip gloss. This is the packaging for it. I like that little heart, so it gives you like a small glimpse of what you're purchasing, and it's very cute. Gold, sleek, shimmer, details on the font. It's so cute. This is the color, as I said, Sweet Mystery. Applicator brush. Oh, it's literally a lip gloss. But this, ooh, it's not tacky. I wiped my oil off that I had on my lips, as you guys seen, and now this is the Sparkling Rose Beauty lip gloss on my lips. Sweet Mystery, about to be my favorite lip gloss. Next, you guys, I'm going to show a concealer. She has about 4 colors on her website for concealer. It's definitely my concealer color. I'm rubbing my finger in it. That's how it looks. I'll apply it over a shadow. Covered it up with the concealer, so it's pretty bomb. Here we have a lip kit, and this is in the color Caramel. It's a nice warm cranberry color. I'll put it on over her lip gloss. Liner that came with it, I'm gonna put that on. It's coming off. Alright you guys, so this is the liquid lipstick. This one has not dropped yet, so it's like exclusive. I do like it. I have no makeup on, and I don't really mind how it looks like without the makeup on. So I went ahead and took that lipstick off because there is something else that I need to try. And this is called Shake It. I think this is a liquid lipstick. Oh, yeah. This is a liquid lipstick. The lip kit. Okay. Line this out. This is a really cute lip combo. You guys, I have another lip kit to try. So we have a liquid, why do I keep calling it liquid? We have a lip liner, short. Because this may be a look. So you guys see how this is applying. It applies smooth. I really like this color. I like both of the colors. And I'm kind of out of the stage where I'm nervous to try new colors. I'm going to show you guys this, which I think is a loose glitter. I'm going to use it in the next video when I'm doing my makeup. I'm going to show you guys this last eyeshadow palette, which is super cute. You know, like, it's the design for me. Ooh. And it's another mirror. But here is the last item I'm going to show you guys. It's an eyeshadow palette with a beautiful mirror. Where I could do my whole entire face. Thank you so much for these items, girl, because I needed these mirrors, most importantly. I'm just super excited and super thankful that I was even thought about or considered for this. Thank you so much for trusting me to tell you the tea on your items. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really do hope that you go ahead and check out Sparkling Rose Beauty. It will be in the description box below. Do not miss out on these amazing price and quality items, because you can't find quality everywhere you go. And I really do appreciate Johnny Aguirre for sending me these items. So far, so great. Keep up the good work. Make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on my social medias, which will be on the screen right here and also in the description box below. Make sure you check out my website, which will also be in the description box below, and my blog to get your skin care tips and deets. Comment and share this video with a friend or a family member. Let them know to go ahead and check out Sparkling Rose Beauty. You guys make sure you do not miss out on this greatness over here on this channel. Thank you guys so much, Beauty Squad, and I love you guys so much. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.